people advertise this kind of car as stock, but it's not. What's up, Purist? It's Bob from Purist Motorsports. I want to ask the question, can they still be found? What I mean by that is, can you still find a mostly stock or all stock 87 and 93 5-liter This is proof of that. The way we found this was, you know, I guess with everybody today, you're thumbing through Marketplace, all the Facebook groups, because there's probably 3,000 Mustang groups on Facebook. It kind of drives me crazy, honestly. I would prefer it all be in one place like it used to be at like 3 or 4 message boards. But now everybody has to create their own group these days because they get mad at one and they're like, I'm gonna create my own, I'm gonna get this, everybody's gonna follow me. So whatever with that. Either way, there are some large groups out there, and the owner of this car posted pics of this particular car, and I wanted a silver 93 5-liter with no sunroof. This car came up and I just messaged him, hey, would you consider selling it? And he said, actually, I just removed it from Marketplace. I had no clue it was on Marketplace. I didn't know he was actually selling it. He had decided to keep it at the time. And I said, well, if you ever change your mind, let me know. Not expecting him to come back at all, because these cars are actually getting very difficult to find. The really good, solid, lightly modified, because this one, people advertise this kind of car as stock, but it's not. It's got headers, an off-road H-pipe that's had cats cut off of it, and then Flowmasters. And then, of course, the lovely, beautiful, and I'm being massively sarcastic, one-piece headlights that are atrocious. Sorry, if you like those, I'm not in that camp. So, more power to you. I will not be selling these. They're going to go in the race car. I'm gonna paint them black, and stay tuned for that. But the car is a really solid foundation for an idea I have. And I'm one of those guys, I don't buy a complete car that's done. I've never bought one that's complete and done. They're all projects. This car is a really good base foundation for what I'm wanting to do. And I just wanted to share that with you, that you can find cars like this, and they not be a break the bank deal. The guy approached me about a month later, said, hey, are you still interested in it? I said, yeah, absolutely. And of course he had thrown a number at me, and I was like, I'll do that. And I drove down, picked it up. He had just swapped less than a month before to Weld wheels. Still had the factory pony wheels on it prior to that, and it was adult owned by a lady. It is a car that has a ton of options for a 93. Call it a fully loaded car. I need to get a Marty report on it. I haven't done it yet, but from what I can tell based on the door tag and what I see in it, it's an opal gray leather, automatic, 327 gear, power seat, but it didn't have a sunroof, which was kind of cool. I do know that based on some research I've done online, and if the data is correct where I'm finding it, which is on some particular Mustang production sites, this is one of 344 produced in 1993 in the silver YN color. And part of the reason I wanted to get that color, I gravitated to the coupe that Chris over at the Infamous Project has. He had it at Foxtoberfest 2 years ago, and then been around the car since then as well at other shows. But it's the color's an only year color for the Fox in silver in 93. They used the color YN all the way through, I think, 05 or 06. There are Lightnings in that color, second gen Lightnings. Mustangs, of course, all the way through, but for whatever reason, the new Edge cars, 99 to 04, and the Foxes look best in that color because of the sharp lines, so I like them. The 94 to 98s, because they're kind of round, that silver doesn't look as good. But I wanted to present this to you because at this point we've had to rob parts from it to complete this car. The hood that's on that car used to be on this car. Bought a hood and it had a ton of filler. It had a big skim coat. I don't understand why body shops do that. I guess if you're really on a budget or the owner doesn't have the money to do something, you can do that as a quick fix, but it literally had an 1/8 of an inch to a 1/16 of an inch, which was more than what you see on cars. Like, there was no metal showing once we sanded it down. You can see in this video here, it was really bad. And to the point of me getting frustrated with it, I just took a hammer to it and then took it to the recycler. It had a little bit of rust under the hinges that I was unaware of. Chalk it up to a loss, and so pulled the hood off of this car because I don't plan to use the stock hood on this car and put it on that car. So it's a presentable 93 that we're going to modify. I got big plans for this car, and I just wanted to share with you that you can actually still score a decent deal under 10 grand for a really good, complete stock car. And I mean stock by, well, the only modifications to this are the headlights, painted tinted tail lights, and exhaust. Everything else is still factory. Okay, save for the stereo. You saw that in the video, but the ashtray door still works. I mean, that's a testament to a good stock 5-liter Mustang, right? The ashtray door still works. And then a lot of people will say, oh, how about the map light? Well, guess what? 93s don't have a map light directly above the dash. It's actually little flip lights that you turn on in the overhead dome light. Stay tuned. There's more to come on this silver 93. It's a project, and I may do a few things to it, just little quick videos on stuff like headlights. I cannot stand these headlights. I'm sorry, I just cannot stand those. That and the old, what is it, Altezza Euro lights. Oh my gosh, that's a style that just needs to die. Sorry. If you like them, cool, more power to you. I don't. And no offense if you do like them. I'm just being honest. I just don't think they look good. But stay tuned. We got more to come on this car. As always, whether you're driving them or restoring them, always enjoy them. Peace.